Okay, we've got our hinge screwed onto our mouth. So what we need to do is we slide this in to where it goes, and then we take this there, and then I draw a line around this so I know where I want this block to get screwed to. So I've marked it on the inside. So what we're going to do is we're going to drill a hole, and then I measured it and marked it here. So we're going to drill a hole through here, and then a hole on this side, and hopefully we hit the center of our mark, and then that's what we will screw this to. So we'll try that. Just a little off. We're going to come back just a little bit. That's what we want. We'll do the same to this side. Up a little bit. Now we have our hole drilled there. The next step we're going to do is I'm going to be using 1 5/8 inch screws that's going to go in here, but I want to bore this out a little bit so we can inset our screw and then we'll cover it with putty later. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comments section. I'll get back with you. We'll check our alignment here. That one's set. So now we got our 2 screws set, so now we'll put this piece in. That's where we want it. got that screwed in. So I'll put some glue around this to keep it from turning on us when we're working on it. And now what I have to do is I have to work on this mount to get it to open back up. So what I see is I need to take some down off in here. So I'll take this out and we'll get this to where it'll open and close the way I want it to, and then we'll be ready for the next step. Thanks for watching.